DGPS surveyors in Faridabad play a crucial role in the field of land surveying. DGPS, or Differential Global Positioning System, is a precise positioning technique that uses two or more receivers to calculate accurate positions. With the rapid growth and development in Faridabad, the demand for DGPS surveyors has increased significantly. These professionals are responsible for conducting surveys to determine the exact positions of various features on the land, such as boundaries, topography, and infrastructure. By utilizing advanced surveying equipment and techniques, DGPS surveyors ensure that accurate data is collected for various construction and development projects in Faridabad. One of the leading companies providing DGPS surveying services in Faridabad is SCON Design. SCON Design is well known for its expertise and experience in the field of land surveying. They have a team of highly skilled and qualified surveyors who are proficient in using the latest DGPS technology to deliver precise and reliable results. Whether it is a small residential project or a large-scale commercial development, SCON Design offers comprehensive surveying solutions tailored to meet the specific requirements of their clients in Faridabad. The use of DGPS surveying techniques by SCON Design offers several benefits over traditional surveying methods. Firstly, DGPS provides highly accurate positioning data, ensuring that there are minimal errors in the measurements. This accuracy is crucial in ensuring that construction projects are built according to the specified plans and measurements. Secondly, DGPS surveying is a time-efficient process. With the use of advanced equipment and technology, surveyors can complete their tasks quickly and efficiently. Moreover, SCON Design's team of DGPS surveyors has extensive knowledge of the local regulations and requirements in Faridabad. DGPS surveyors in Faridabad are essential in the land surveying industry. Differential Global Positioning System, DGPS, is a precise positioning method that determines precise positions using two or more receivers. The need for DGPS surveyors has grown dramatically in Faridabad as a result of the city's rapid growth and development. These experts are in charge of conducting surveys to pinpoint the precise locations of different geographical features like boundaries, topography, and infrastructure. DGPS surveyors make sure that precise data is gathered for various construction and development projects in Faridabad by applying cutting-edge surveying tools and methods. SCON Design is one of the top businesses in Faridabad offering DGPS surveying services. SCON Design is well known in the industry for its knowledge and experience in the field of land surveying. Faridabad's DGPS surveyors are essential. Differential Global Positioning System, DGPS, a method for precise positioning that